welcome back. This is Leena. So you guys know how much I love matte lipsticks. I do not like glossy lipsticks at all. So I went to the market and I was looking for new matte lipsticks. So suddenly I saw this Nykaa matte lipstick and I just love the packaging. I really like the color, so I thought I'll pick it up and I want to try it and review it. So I thought, why don't I do it with you guys? So this is the Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick. This is the packaging. So there's just one lipstick in this and I really like the packaging. It looks very fancy. And the shade is called Boho. So this is a liquid lipstick. So it comes in a small box like this, and we will remove the product. So this is the lipstick. So the shade is 16 Boho. So this is the 5 ml lipstick, 5 ml small bottle, and I will apply it and I will show you how it looks like. So I haven't applied anything, not even a lip balm. I want to see how matte it is, if it dries my lips too much. So here we go. So I've applied it. Let's wait for it to dry. Some lipstick, when you just apply some matte lipstick, immediately after you apply it, it dries. So this is taking a little time. So I think I should wait for about 5 minutes. Let's see if it dries out too much or the consistency. So let's just wait for a bit. So guys, the lipstick has dried now and it is quite matte. Let's do the transfer proof test. So I'm just going to take some tissue. There is no lipstick. It is really matte. But I would like to suggest that you should apply like a lip balm or a Vaseline to protect your lips. Because this lipstick is quite matte. It might harm your lips and it might make it like really dry. So I love the color. It is quite matte. I love this lipstick. The only thing that I have a problem with is the price point. It is 495 rupees, almost 500 bucks for just this much product. I think that's a little expensive. So that's the only problem that I have with this lipstick. Otherwise, I really like it. Nykaa, I really like this product. Thank you. So yes, it's a total yes from me, but it's just a little expensive. That's what I feel. So you guys should try it and let me know in the comment section below. If you have tried any other color, you could recommend me that also. And don't forget to like this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So we all know metallic lipstick is so in trend and these lipsticks cost a lot. So I thought, why don't I show you to make your very own lipstick, metallic lipstick at home. So this is going to be really simple and let's start. So I'm going to start with concealing my lips first. So I'm just going to use the concealer. Once I've done that, I'll take a really dark shade. So I'll be using this from Miss Claire's. The shade number is 23. I'm going to apply this lipstick first. So I've applied my lipstick now. I'm going to take this palette from Huda Beauty. It's the Rose Gold palette. And I'll take the shade Moon Dust. I'm going to apply it all over my lips. So let's do this. As you can see, it's instantly become very metallic. So this is one coat. I'm going to put another coat. you guys see how simple this was? You don't really have to invest in all those expensive metallic lipsticks. This is so simple, you can do it at home. So guys, this is the end result. I hope you liked it. Do try this and let me know in the comment section below. And just experiment with your makeup, have fun, enjoy makeup, and also like my video. Bye guys, I will see you soon. Guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So we all love to apply lipsticks. They look so cool. But did you know if you apply lip liner and if you know the correct technique, your lips can look bigger and bolder and your lipstick won't, come off very easily. So today I'm going to show you these lip lining techniques. So let's start. So firstly, you will be needing a lip liner. So you should always take a lip liner which is light or maybe somewhat of your shade, your lip shade, or maybe one shade darker. And this can go well with every lipstick. So you don't have to buy a separate lip liner for every lipstick. So any light lip liner is good. So I'll be using this lip liner. This is from Miss Claire, and the shade is called Romantic Pink. So first you gotta do is apply some concealer onto your lips so that your lipstick lasts for long. So this will act like your canvas now, and you can paint it. So there won't be any discoloration. Now I will start with lining my lips. So I'll start from here. Always apply it really slowly, like gentle strokes. Now we'll start filling in here. We'll just make a line. This is your outline. Now start filling it from inside. At this point, but if you fill your entire lip, then your lipstick will really last for long. So I'm going to fill it. And if you guys want like really big lips, you all can outline your lips. So I'm going to do it. So make sure you don't overline it too much because it will look really fake. So this is looking really natural. You can leave it like this, or you can apply a lipstick. So I'll be applying a lipstick. This is from Kylie's birthday edition, I guess. So as I told you, you don't need to buy different color lip liners all the time. Just one neutral color like this will really help you. You can wear it with any lipstick, with pink, with reds, etc. This is very important that you take a neutral color which will help you in every lipstick. So that's how easy it was, guys, and this is how you apply a lip liner. This is the technique, and hopefully this video has been useful for you. Do try this and let me know in the comment section below, and please like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. वेलकम बैक। मैं हूँ लीना। क्या आपके साथ ये हादसा हो चुका है कि आपकी न्यू लिपस्टिक टूट गई हो? आई नो कितना हार्ट ब्रेकिंग होता है, बट डोंट फियर, आई एम हियर और मैं आपको बताऊंगी आपको इसे कैसे फिक्स करना है। सो इसके लिए आपको दो चीज़ें लगेंगी, कैंडल, मैच बॉक्स और दैट्स इट, और आपकी टूटी हुई लिपस्टिक। सो अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी इसको कैसे फिक्स करते हैं। क्योंकि मेरी लिपस्टिक टूटी नहीं है, आई एम गोना ब्रेक दिस। आई नो दिस इज गोना बी रियली सैड, but let's do this. So पहले हम कैंडल लेंगे, इसे लाइट करेंगे। अभी हम इसे हीट कर देंगे थोड़ा सा। वेरी केयरफुली। इसे हीट करने के बाद हम ये जो टूटा हुआ पीस है उसे भी हीट करेंगे और इसे जॉइंट कर देंगे ऐसे। डोंट वरी अगर थोड़ा मेल्ट हो रहा होगा। दैट्स इट। इसे कूल होने देंगे। हम फ्रिज में रख सकते हैं फॉर अबाउट 30 मिनट्स और आपकी टूटी हुई लिपस्टिक फिर से फिक्स हो जाएगी। सो ये थी वो लिपस्टिक जिसे मैंने तोड़ा था, पर अब ये फिक्स हो चुकी है। आप इसे फ्रिज में भी रख सकते हैं फॉर 30 मिनट्स या आप ऐसे ही कूल डाउन कर सकते हैं फॉर 10 to 15 मिनट्स और फिर यूज़ कर सकते हैं। तो अब मैं इसे लगा के दिखाऊंगी। प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिए एंड आई विल सी यू सून। बाय गाइस। Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena and today I'm going to show you really quick and easy top 5 lipstick hacks. So let's start. Hack number 1, always exfoliate your lips before applying any lipstick. This will make your lipstick, glide on really well and it will also stay for long and you won't have those cracked lines. So for that you can either use like a mascara wand and then brush it. You can also use a normal brush, or what you could do is take any makeup wipe and what I usually do is just put my finger like that and rub it. So what this does is it removes all the dead skin from your lips and it exfoliates it. Hack number 2, if you want nude lips, all you got to do is take some foundation. So here's a little bit of foundation. I'm going to apply it on my lip. Once you've applied your foundation, just take some Vaseline or you can use any lip balm and apply this. And if you don't have nude lipstick, so this will give you that really cool nude lipstick look. It's that easy. Hack number 3, apply concealer before you apply lipstick. The color of the lipstick will come out really well. So just apply some concealer. And then you can apply any lipstick. Hack number 4, apply a lip liner before you apply any lipstick. This will shape your lips really well. And also if you want to make your lips bigger, you can overline your lips. So just make a cross like this. This lip liner all over my lips. It's making it look bigger and this will stay for long as well. Hack number 5, to avoid lipstick on your lips, all you got to do is put your finger in your mouth and remove all the excess lipstick so your lipstick won't stick onto your teeth. So guys, these were my really simple hacks and I hope you tried and I hope it works for you, and also like the video. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.